Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to auto reply in WhatsApp Business. Now to start is you have to open your WhatsApp Business application first and logged in to your account. Then now that you're here, you just have to click on these three dots at the top right hand corner of your screen. And then just have to click on this business tools. Then you have to scroll down all the way to the bottom. And then under the messaging, you have the greeting message, the away message, the quick replies, and the labels. So we're going to compose our auto reply messages one by one. So let's start with the greeting message. So you just have to click on it. Then now that here, you just have to enable this switch. Then click on this pencil icon, and then you can type it right here your greeting message. And after composing your message, you just have to click on OK. And then you have to select your recipients. So you can choose everyone or everyone at in an address book or everyone except or only send it to. So let's try for everyone. Then once you choose your recipient, is you just have to click on save. And now let's proceed to the away message. So you just have to click on it. Then make sure to enable the switch right here. Then you just have to compose your away message. So make sure that your away message is polite and respectful. And then after that, you just have to click on OK and you have to choose your schedule. So if you want to always send it or custom schedule or outside of business hours. After that, you just have to choose your recipients. So just you have here everyone at an address book, or everyone except, or only sent to. So you just have to select your recipient, and then you have to click on save. And then for the last one is you have to click on the quick replies, and then you have to compose your quick replies right here. So you just have to click on this section, then you have this shortcut right here or reply message. For the shortcut, a word that will quickly retrieve this reply. Then you just have to click on save after you type out or compose your shortcut and your reply message right here. So just click on the save button right here at the top right hand corner of the screen, and then you just have to go back, and with that very simple steps we were able to create our auto reply on WhatsApp Business. So if you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.